Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to delete a group chat on Instagram using your PC. If you're looking to clean up your messages and remove conversations that no longer serve you, follow these simple instructions. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, look for the messages icon located on the left side menu. It resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are stored. Next, click on the messages icon to access your inbox. Here, you will see a list of all your conversations. Scroll through the list to find the group chat you wish to delete. Click on it to open the conversation. Once inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the chat window for the info icon, which usually appears as an eye or an information symbol. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear with several options related to the group chat. In this menu, locate and click on Delete Chat. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking if you are sure you want to delete this chat. This step is crucial because deleting a group chat is permanent and cannot be undone. Confirm your decision by clicking on Delete again, and that's it. You have successfully deleted the group chat from your Instagram messages on your PC. Remember that this action removes the chat from your inbox but does not delete it for other participants in the group. By following these straightforward steps, you can manage your Instagram conversations more effectively and keep your inbox organized. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful.